Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well, with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, fine straight hair, and so beautiful collection of two short wave and curls on hair, wavy curly hairstyling, some ideas wave and curls naturally, some ideas make curve with curler, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyle, different ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, so beautiful collection of and mostly ideas of spiky hairstyle with undercut and shaved art, different designs of undercut and shaved art Very beautiful and very attractive. So beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut, and the latest type of cut: choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and very beautiful collection of eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas: funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of different ideas of base color, and many much more latest and beautiful collection. Trendy ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back. with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.